These scenes are made within 30 minutes without using complicated 3D software. It can all be done with FLORA. My name is DJ, an NYC-based digital artist using FLORA to create cool stuff. I'll walk you through the process of creating VFX for music videos and films. We'll start with choosing the scenes you want to make VFX for and screen grab the last frame you want. Move on to FLORA and import your screen grabbed image by placing it on your empty canvas. Create a text node first to ideate the scene you want to create. I want to create an explosion effect behind the woman on the bridge in the scene. Gemini is good at recognizing objects inside the image, but FYI, it has safety guidelines and censors violence, so keep that in mind. In my case, I'm going to use ChatGPT instead. You can make adjustments to the generated prompt if you want, like adding more details or excluding parts you don't want. Pull out a video node from the image node and connect the text node that has the prompt. Here's the fun part about FLORA. You can actually connect more than 2 nodes to have more control over what you want to create. For the video models, based on my experience, Ray 2 has the most realistic, best looking results, but it costs a lot. I'm going to try using different video models just for comparison. Once you got all the video nodes set up, you can drag all the nodes you want to run together, and you can hit run. This is going to take a while, so let me prepare the other images I want to generate. You can repeat the same process for other clips. For the text prompts, it's good to be detailed as possible, as if explaining to someone who can't see the image. For some video models, there's also options of duration, looping, and seed numbers. For those of you who are not familiar with seed numbers, I'll make another tutorial on that later. There are cases that AI makes completely random shots, for example like this one. We can be creative and use these as B-rolls. It makes the final outcome even better, adding a bit of variety to it. Once you see some satisfying results, download these and take them to your favorite editing software. I'm using Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, you should have every original clip sliced at the frame you started generating. We're going to match the generated clips to the original clips. After matching the frames, we need to adjust the scale. Match the timing of the frames. Usually the very first couple frames of the generated ones tend to stay still, so sometimes it's better to get rid of them or overlap them with a bit of opacity change. After matching the frames, color grading. Color grading is important since AI doesn't fully apply the original colors to its outputs. Although some can barely see the difference, it's better to give some tweaks based on the original footage. Do the frame matching and color grading to the other clips as well. And this is the final outcome.